Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook ground beef crab stick balls. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need 1/3 cup of cornstarch, 1/3 cup of flour, and this one egg, and then oyster sauce, black pepper, soy sauce, and then garlic, onions and green onions, and then this is the ground beef. I think this is 3½ cups, and then this one 2½ cups, and then this one is 1½ cups of crab stick. Okay, so mix all the garlic, onions and spring onions, and then dakto. And then the cornstarch and the flour, and then the egg, gonna use a gloves. Chansha lang. Okay. And then black pepper. And then we're gonna add this one guys, the oyster sauce. Okay. I want another gloves. Another gloves. Nagpalit ko gloves, guys. Good enough. Ang timpla niya, guys. Sakto na sa timpla. So, ako lang i-mix pag-ayo. Okay. Okay, and now we're gonna make a balls. Guys, so make balls. Okay. Guys, I'm done. So we're gonna okay. Okay guys, that's enough for right now. Okay guys, so this is it. It's done guys. Okay, so we're gonna transfer it. So this is our ground beef and crab stick meatballs, or ground beef and crab stick balls is done. Okay, so look at that one. It's very yummy and it's tasting time, guys. Okay, it's hot. Okay. Okay, guys. Eat. It's yummy, guys. You can make a sauce of this one also if you want. There's a sauce. But I don't want a sauce, so I just dip in the ketchup or any kind of sauce. Ground beef and crab stick balls is done. Oh, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.